So as you can see, I've just sanded it, added a top layer of epoxy right now, so this is the first layer on top of it, and then I'll sand it again and add one extra coat of resin. So this is the fix right here. Everything should be okay, it's quite strong, and but we'll still have to test it out to see the results. Okay, so 2 layers of epoxy were just sanded off, so I'm left with a flat surface, grit 600 at the end, and now I'm going to add a plastic primer. You can see right here, I'll do 2 coats of plastic primer and then add some clear coats, and then the job should be done, and we have a new hockey stick. So okay, so the plastic primer is applied, now I'm going to add clear varnish on top of it, and I'll do it right now. Okay, so I've added 2 layers of clear coat on top of it, and now that's enough. Of course you could polish it, give it more shine, but it's still an object to play some sports with and so on, so it's not a beauty item. But here is the repair, as you can see. So this was the badge that was added to it, just to give it some strength. This is on the back, of course. This could have been covered and so on, but like I said, it's not for beauty, it's for playing good sports. So I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm sure it will be more than strong enough. You can add a lot of force onto it without cracking, so pretty happy about the results.